So, good morning, one and all. First of all, thank you to sir and ma'am, those who have given me this chance to interact with you all guys. And thank you to you guys also that you have came here to just to listen to me because this is my last day. So before just starting on my journey, that just gain a truly momentum. Before that, I just want to ask one question from all of you that you have to answer. In video, am I looking smart?
Yes.
That's what I said. Yeah, there is no need of this ponytail. And in real, because I just break the beard and all. Because this is my look. And from the last 20 days, I am having that beard. So many of them just suggested that beard don't suits on you and not long hair. You want to be in the army, so be in that look like a gentleman. Because officer is different thing, but before officer you have to be a gentleman. And gentleman is the thing that we should all have in ourselves. And now, how to be a gentleman? Everyone could be a gentleman, just being some traits. I will talk on that later. So, myself Harshit Singh, and this journey starts in the mid of 2024, where I just came to join the Nile that was there ahead of this coaching, where I just joined in 2017 when I was in my 8th class with my cousin brother. So yeah, I used to come on cycle and this. So after some time, I took a course of 3 months. So after 1 month, that motivates me to come in that coaching was that Chole Bhature near that State Bank. So yes, I used to feel that कि यार जाना है speech because at that time I don't want to speak in English. I just want to have that chola bhatura and all. Yes, because I give more priority to that and at that time. So yes, but I don't have any regrets till now in any of the cases because later on with that time I became hardworking. Once you will be hardworking, no matter that you know you can't do it, but you know that I will overcome that. Even it could be English. Yes, we are all in our English coaching. So later on, when I was in then I came in the mid of 2024 in the search of that Nile. Then I found one board, English Mania. So I just came here and I interacted with her in the mid of the noon. So I just knocked the door and just her came. Yes, this is formalities and all. Okay, man. Okay, sir, I just want to join. You can, sir said, then from tomorrow you can come because I have that urge to speak in English, and this is although I don't have the right track to walk on. So I just from that evening only I just came. So yes, I started speaking in English. So as my friend said that I am feeling nervous in front of you all. Yes, but I'm not feeling nervous. Actually, the thing is I get motivated and I get confident by seeing the students. So that is the thing. Because as I have been a rider also, that is again different story. So yes, today is my day, so I will share my each story and trust me guys, it is gonna be fun. Every story of my life and that I am going to share with you transparent. Where is my that short boy who just always wanted to have my experience? That small boy. Okay, he didn't come. Lost. So yes. So starting with the fun facts of my life from this coaching. Yes, then I joined the coaching from that evening only. So the thing that motivates me to come here, not the chola bhaturas, but definitely in the starting the girls. Yes. So then this podium. Yes. Although trust me guys, I am a guy. I am a flamboyant type of a guy who just always want attention by the things that I do. Yes. So again, I just joined this coaching and I was in the mid of my era of my riding. So I was a rider, so I have I had that, even I also have, but at that time I had some extra testosterone and the high testosterone. So yes, then that motivates me always. I always had a urge, and I was a curious person to come on this podium. No matter what I am saying, what is the topic, nothing. I just want to speak. So from there my journey started. Then I took a course of 3 months, then again 3 months. Then in the middle of that I went for that RDC, that is basically a riding national camp that I was preparing for in my riding. So where I just went and represented my UP directorate, Uttar Pradesh directorate, and I got a best trophy in the best tent packing at a tag, with the tag of the best tent packer of the year 2025. As you can go and search on the Google my name, and with the photo of that trophy you will find. So yes, and I want to thank to this coaching, because before I was going to my that trophy that changed my life. I got that trophy on the 9th of December, 9th of January, 8th of January. I got a bronze medal. In that I was eligible to play a veteran open tent packing game, in which I got a trophy at 11 a.m. I think, and that changed my life, my mindset towards the upcoming world, towards my upcoming life. So I thank to this coaching also, because this coaching give not only, trust me guys, this coaching not only focus on the English, this is focus on your overall the personality, but at last it matters how you contribute, what you give to this coaching. Definitely the thing is bounce back to you with 200% of effect on you. So the first thing is lies in you only, how you contribute, how you give, how you indulge yourself into this coaching. So yes. So again, coming on to the fun fact. Then on the day of first day, I just said to sir said to me that I never shared with sirs, but now I wanted to. Sir said to me that normal formalities, give the photos and some registration form, and that I think the booklet of exercise. I said, sir, and the grammar, you have to go through the grammar session videos, this. So I was on that high, I was on my 7th class. I said, sir, I don't want this all. I don't want to give this formality, this is my money, just take it, and from the evening I am going to come. Not I have said the same thing, but my actions was like that. Even you can search see, and you will not found my photos and my registration form, because I never paid. I just gave the money. So again, the booklet, coming on to the booklet, I just never wanted the book also to do that, some things like doing exercise, this. But later on, when I just came to know, go through that, because go through that exercise is very vital to the basic grammar, because it makes you speak the basic grammar, how to frame the sentences. Although everybody have their own curriculum, have to make their own personality. In my personality, I had the confidence that the beginners don't have. See, a beginner who is coming to this coaching is definitely to learn English, but learning English is not like that to learn some kind of a basic or some kind of a drills or do's and don'ts. It is like first everyone have that hesitation, क्या बोलेंगे, क्या जज करेगा, even especially for the girls कि लड़के क्या सोचेंगे. Definitely they have that. So I never had that kind of a thing कि क्या सोचेंगे. So I had the confidence कि गलत बोल रहा हूँ but बोल रहा हूँ. I wanted to need that right track, framing of sentences, the models and the grammar. So just in first or 2 or 3 days I just went all through that. Then I again came into the spoken, and here I am. Then after in 2025 I took a gap of 2025. Then I again started preparing for my SSB. SSB is a self-selection board where this is an interview you have to go through to be in the armed forces as an officer with the academies. So I am preparing for the academy, that is a basically officer training academy in the Chennai, established in 1963. He serves the officer in the Indian Army with a short service commission, SSC that we call it. So after 14, you have to serve for 14 years in the Indian Army with the ranks you will get. After 14 years, you want to be a PC from the SSC. PC means permanent commission. Then you will have a chance to go through. So again, I didn't. So I was preparing for that OTA, SSB for that, basically SSB you have to go through. So again with the special entry, because I had this NCC special entry with C certificate in alpha grade. So in which you are not required to give that kind of exam that you have heard, NDA, CDS, these type of. You will directly go and face the SSB. So I just prepared for that SSB that just came in the, I think, 23rd of December in Allahabad. My center was Allahabad. Again, the destiny, God's destiny, my fate. I got document out. I prepared for the interview for 1 hour, for 1 year, and I got document out in 1 hour. They don't let me go through the SSB process. Even they didn't give me that chest numbers that you got allotted. Then I feel so dejected. But again, I feel so dejected. And after 2 hours, I was watching Dhurandhar in Allahabad. So because I knew this is happened something for better only. That means maybe I was not ready for that SSB. That's why God gave me because this signals I also got in my 2023, because when I volunteered for NCC. So I am in 2023. I prepared for 2024 RDC. RDC is a Republic Day camp in which we do the horse shows representing our directorates in Delhi, 61 Cavalry B Squadron. So I prepared for 2024 RDC but on the same day, on 23rd December of 2023, I didn't get selected for that horse show. So I was in second year. So my CEO said, you are not fit for this, you are the reason, and you are not going to RDC. Another two got selected. So in 2024, when in 2023 they went for 2024 in January. So again, from the last 20 to 30 years that we are getting out from the horse show, basically there is a horse show competition between the other states. Like we are from Uttar Pradesh, so हमारा राजस्थान इनसे होता रहता है, हरियाणा से horse show होता है, horse competitions. So again we got nothing, as we are not getting from the last 10 to 5 years. We are not getting even the single medals and all. So in 2024 I was there because I didn't go for that RDC. So again I worked on single thing that I didn't do in that 2023. I worked again and I became senior. So I got my answer in 2024 when I was representing as a senior under officer with my personal horse, with my personal game. And I got not a medal but also a trophy for the first time in UP. And I got my name in the Google. You will search Google, ChatGPT, wherever the internet site. And this was the biggest achievement till now. So later I came to know 9th January 2025 कि yes, I felt so dejected in 2023, but yes, God just gave me the thing. वो कहते हैं ना, at right time, at right place and the right thing. That's what I felt. So if we imagine if I went for that 2024 RDC, I could go as cadet, and again I didn't कुछ नहीं मिलता. I didn't have nothing that my seniors didn't get. So again in 2025 I got my answer. So again when I went for that SSB, I got document out. So again this was a destiny. So I was easy to relate to that my RDC. So after 1 hour, after feeling so dejected, I just went and I saw the Dhurandhar because it was going on in the cinema halls at that time. We was in December. So I went Allahabad to see the Dhurandhar. So then I came here. Then I again worked on myself where I was lacking. So now my interview is going to come for the October course in the upcoming 2 months. So again, now hopefully I should get select. And I got document out just because I didn't have my degree. although I went with some that bona fide certificates and the affidavits from my college side, but they didn't consider any of the things. The senior officer, they said just one thing: do you have a degree or provisional degree? If they could, yes, but they could have they could have adjusted also. But again, I don't blame them. It was my destiny. So I again started working on myself. Starting from my writing, I used to write cursive writing till 2020 year 2022. Not 2022, 2025, till that SSB, because in SSB there are three processes, like in which psych is one of them. In psych, psychologist will make your dossier, not just, he will not even meet you just on the basis of how you write the things, the stories, the words, the SRTs, the SDTs. So yes, in ninth class there is again a different story in ninth. Okay, going on to the 2018. I was in my ninth class and I was something a guy. I studied in St. Paul Senior Secondary School in ninth class. So I was in my ninth. So always my upper shirt buttons was open, always, and my tie was hanging. I know exactly, and I was a different kind of a guy that time. So yes, again ninth. If we just recommended to ninth, I think that session was going on. So I recently got recommended or came in ninth. So we got that muffins, the extra grammar books, muffin, that we calls it muffin. So with family I just went and I took all the books and muffins also. Next day when I went to school, I sold that book. बेच के खाएंगे कुछ. That book I think went for 500 rupees की गई थी. So I was coming by selling that book to my class. I was just seeing my 500, what I will do this. So I just saw an English teacher in front of me. She was new. The session was ended and the new session started. The new teacher was hired, English teacher. Her name was Pratibha, and she was my first crush. Yes, she was my crush. Pratibha ma'am, yes. And she left school just because of me only. So yes, that day I just came and vice principal was sitting right here because she was taking her interview, how she teach, because she was going to hire them. And I just came and I just said one thing. She was in my, I think in green sari. So I just said, vice principal को देखिए, कौन है ये? उसने तो पहले ऐसे देखा. Shut up and come and sit there. Okay, ma'am. Because we always used to be in that punishment route. So principal knowed us कि हाँ ये वही लोग हैं. So she just said, come and sit. Okay. When principal just went and I was doing I think some mishap. So the English teacher asked me, stand up and come here. Okay, ma'am. And my walking was like that, yeah, man. So yes, now the thing comes. She said, take a chalk and write English on the board. English means ENGLISH. Write English. So my writing was like that, so I just wrote the English. So she just said one thing. Writing shows your personality. So writing shows your personality. क्या हो गया? Personality में देखिए कुछ गलत हो रहा है. So again, then I realized in 2025. Yes, writing shows your personality. So after 22 years, I changed my writing from cursive to printing writing. Printing writing from this January only. So printing writing, the writing shows a different thing. And the psychologist also said, you have a cursive writing? Your writing is readable, but it looks like childish. So you have to change your writing. But before that, I completed my coaching. And before that I changed my writing, my SSB came and I got document out. So again I am a fresher, so I just changed to printing writing. Printing writing shows many things, your consistency, your hard work, that's your personality, and that I am. So I just changed this to printing writing, and again I am writing many things just to make my head in that and to write that printing writing. So yes, it was like that. So that I realized not in 2018 but in 2025. That yes, this is real. Writing shows your personality. So this was about my writing. Then again I started working on my psych, on my upper section, because if you see one picture, and if you have, for that one picture, for that one idea, you have to go through the 10 pictures. So my upper section again was not good. I was not getting many ideas. So I, for that side psych, I again started working on it. And till now I am working on it. Trust me, I have completed 2050 pictures for that 10 pictures. For that 10 pictures, they will show in me. They will show in SSB. For that, I have went through 250 pictures, and for that 60 words for that word, I went through 750 words. Psychologists say that you should not do this type of practice because your psych dilutes, you don't have that quality. But I don't focus on this type of thing. Now I think you all are getting interested. Now I should take you to my writing era, because that was a different era. When I joined that Kishori Raman College, so I just volunteered for that one UPRNV NCC. It is a NCC not of riding, that is a veterinary NCC. So in veterinary, the veterinary doctors are eligible to have that NCC, but I took admission as a open. So I just went in my riding, and yes, again for that RDC, which changed my mindset and everything. There is again a story. I just went in 2023 starting off, or I think 2022. I joined that college, and I used to do lot of gym. So I was having extra kilos and muscles. So I just went to my grandfather, that is my guardian also. So he was talking to my brother that day. So I just said, Baba, मुझे blood चाहिए. Blood? Right? Yes. So okay. उधर से भाई ने सुना, तो he just said one thing. Okay, bullet कौन सी चाहिए? 9 mm की, 6 mm की. He was talking about that bullets. I said not that bullet, the bike bullet. So he just said, for that you have to do something. You have to earn it. क्या करूँ यार, अभी तो कॉलेज में हूँ. I don't have my degree. I am not a graduate. क्या करें? Then I heard that 2023 के बैच गया है हमारा RDC का. They went for that RDC. Again they didn't get anything. Same. So I just said, Baba, if I do the RDC, then you will give me the bike. हाँ, RDC तो represent कर, मैं दिलाता हूँ तुझे. Okay. Then I started working for 2024 RDC. Every day I worked. I broke my hands many times, that collarbones. Sometime my uncle used to come with the cars to take me to the hospital. I had fractures also. Many things I had. My riding was up and down, and mostly times of down. Just up because of the girls of veterinary. So again, yes. So yes, though I had many fractures and nothing, but I never missed my riding, because first that motivates me to go in riding was that RDC. Then I started getting the spark that I should do for my directorate. कि कुछ करना चाहिए. Then I started working on themselves. So I was a jumper, जो घोड़ों को लेके कुदाते हैं. They have to go through the obstacles. Jumper. So again, that things that my CEO and my JCO, senior JCO was there, and they just said, Harshit, you have to go through this and you have to jump from here. I just went and I jumped. And something comes in my mind, I just turned the horse and I again jumped from here to here. And that was a basically one-sided jump, because there was the rods, iron rods was there. So you can jump from here, but if you will jump from here, definitely the horse step could be on that rods, and horse will die, and definitely you will also. So I just took that takeoff from here, and I had got lots of experience, because I knew that if I will take how much step I have to take off, then the horse will land away from that rods. So he just jumped. So at that time my CEO just said one thing, come to my office. I just came, and he just with signed with the leader, my group commander. I was the first student in one UP in the history who got prohibited by the jumps. कि jump करेगा ही नहीं. he will not do the jump signed by my CEO, my GCO and my commander. Then yeah, I feel again so dejected. If I will not do jump, then I will not go to RDC. RDC में jump भी कराते हैं. I just said, अब क्या करूँगा? Then my NCO sir, senior NCO, Mandal sir, he just gave me that lance. Because before I think 2020, UP also participate in tent packing. Then we just stopped. We focused on the jumping. They just gave me, and they just give me a tag कि हम पागल है, ये सुनता उनता नहीं है, पागल है, तो उसको पागल घोड़ा दे दो. Agni, I know, Agni was my horse. Agni was a ride a horse with above height of 152 centimeters, and he was a very hyper horse. He was born in 2013 from Hempur and got commissioned in I think 14 or 15. So they just gave me Agni dose. So pagal hoda hai, so Agni de do. Okay. And they gave me a lance also. Then I start practicing the tent packing. In tent packing, you have to do, there is a 100 meters of track, and at 80 meters you will get a track of 30 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 13 centimeter inside the ground, and 17 centimeter upside the ground, with making an angle of 120 degree with the ground. You are supposed to go and take a lance, and then you have to insert in a track, and you have to take it in 6 seconds. If you go out of 6, then there are penalties also. So then I again started working on tent packing, and by the time as I was a senior in 2024, so there was a girl of veterinary doctor. Her name was Tunisha Mukherjee. Yes. So she was on NRI seat. She was from South Delhi, studying in. She wanted to be a doctor. So she was my junior in riding. Yeah, अभी आया थे वो. So I was a senior also, and at that time I was in a shape. I was a good rider, and I had a high testosterone. So she got impressed by my riding and all. Looks. So yes, we made. Then we made friends. So friends बन गए like this. So yes, I enjoyed my riding a lot because I was getting everything. Like riding everything, and in riding when I just stepped in that 2024, just my NCO and my GCO, especially my Devidi Saab GCO, they just always हर्षित करते रहते थे. They used to scold me और बोलते थे तू बहुत सारे तेरे कांड हो रहे हैं, देख ले, RDC नहीं भेजूंगा तेरे को, ये वो सुनाते रहते थे मेरे को. And they never appreciated my riding. Although I was the best in my riding, but वो मेरे को एक बिगनर से भी कहते थे, क्योंकि वो जानते थे. He was my उस्ताद, so he knew कि ये ऐसा है, इसको थोड़ा भी हाथ दे दिया तो ये चढ़ जाएगा. तो वो मेरे को हमेशा दबा के रखते थे, हमेशा. और लड़कियों के सामने तो ज़्यादा ही. हाँ, लड़कियों के सामने मेरी ज़्यादा इज्जती करते थे. ये कुछ नहीं राइडिंग करता, you don't know nothing. A new beginner knows him better than that. कुछ नहीं है ये. और इसको RDC नहीं ले जाऊँगा मैं आपकी बार. वो कहते रहते थे. So yes, but again my riding again was far better, and I wrote again. I have done many things that only I have done in my 1UP. So and we are not authorized to write rider. So I wrote in my T-shirt 1UP rider. So I was a rider. I went. Okay, there was one again a story. Will definitely like OD Palace. Do you know that OD Palace behind that Naroli Choraya? So there was one camp was going on of 10, 11 and 1UP student. So we are supposed to go, and at the end of the day we are supposed to do the horse show for the enjoyment. We have taken the permission from the 11th battalion. So again I was on a punishment rule. So my GCU said to me, you will not perform in the show, and you will be a helper, madad karoge, and you will be not in a dress also, because when we do the horse show, we have a great gears, bridges, shoes, and upper that NCC shirt. And so you have seen the NCC shirt, okay, khadi like that. So you are not supposed to do riding, and you will not be in the riding dress. You will just wear the riding boot, bridges, and that your t-shirts, normal t-shirts, and you will be the helper. Okay sir, मैं गया. So we just went. So again, my juniors started falling from that jumps. Nobody is just making it clear in one go. So जेसु साहब ने देखा यार क्या हो रहा है, बेइज्जती हो रही है. So they just said, they just look at me and I was damn sure that definitely at last he is going to say Harshit mount on the horse. So I was just ready and I just made my Agni also ready. Yeah, मेरा ही number आया. So I was in, okay, everybody was in a NCC dress and I was in my riding dress with written one UP rider in a cool era. So he just said to me, देखा. He just does that action. Okay, mount. I just mounted and again there is. I always mounted on the horse without any recap, just like a hero's like jump. Yes, and everybody do with the recap balance लेकर. So I always mounted till now. मैं हमेशा ऐसे mount होता jump होके. So I just jumped and one UP rider was leading, so everybody was making a shout, whoa, 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 there is something that hero or that rider is coming. I just mounted and I just cleared all the jumps in one go and I have video also and got a gold medal in that. So so
we are good audience.
again, so I got a medal also. So I got just clear all the jumps. Then after just jump, everybody appreciated me. 11 battalion CO colonels and all. And I looked at my ustad. अब तो तारीफ करेंगे. And he just घोड़े खोल चल फटाफट चल. मैंने कहा आज भी तारीफ नहीं. Okay sir. He just hated me just because he knows he is that kind of a guy that girls like. So वो दबा के रखते थे मेरे को. So he just said घोड़े खोल चल बहुत तारीफ हो गई तेरी. तो हम घोड़े खोले गए हम काम करने. So again my RDC approached. RDC for RDC. Okay, on I think 22nd we left for that pre RDC in the pre Noida, and on 19th he told me, hey, you have that from tomorrow. Okay, if you are going to RDC before month you should know, because you will start preparing packaging and everything, documentation and documentation was all done. So and one day before, on the day we were leaving, I got my rank also. I didn't have any rank. In rank there are structure, you know, corporal, lance corporal, this, then you become at last the senior under officer, SUO, the senior of the senior. Then I didn't have that corporal, lance corporal, under officer, nothing. I had nothing. So he just said परसों जा रहे हैं, ready वेडी हो जाओ तुम सब. मैंने sir but परसों I have, because on 22nd of January when I will be in the RDC, my brother's marriage will be there. So by the time we will be finished with the horse show, so I will take a leave and come. So for that I have to distribute the cards to my friend today only, because from tomorrow we are going to RDC. So उन्होंने कहा हाँ कार्ड बांटो, हम किसी और को ले जाएंगे, तू मत जा. मैंने कहा यार चलिए. फिर I just went on the day of that 22nd of January 2024. CO are supposed to do and your peeping ceremony, rank लगाते हैं like this. So he just came, my junior to under officer, then my junior to under officer, because they had some rank like lance corporal hai. So they got a promotion. So I got directly SU. Again first time in one UP. Again SEO मिल ही नहीं सकती किसी को. So with my leadership skills and all, they give me SEO, my CO, with some of shoes. Again they beated me with they just came, I just reported Jain sir, they just and by shaking the hand. Once you are going to represent your directorate, you should appreciate and motivates you. What he said, you know, तुझे RDC मिली है ना, तेरी 2 साल की मेहनत पे मिली है, तू डिजर्व नहीं करता. मैंने फिर जूता मार दिया. So I had decided now I don't want medal, I want something big जो आज तक मिला ही नहीं हो. Then I will show you that I earned this, not in bag I got this. So I just went for the RDC and again my hairs was too long, so He just cutted my hair on the day I was leaving. He just cut my hair. Trimmed. CO trimmed. With the trimmer of the horses. जिनके horses से बाल काटे जाते. He just trimmed my hair. So, again in a small hair I also look good. So I had went to pre-RDC, and pre-RDC, basically pre-RDC is for them, those who are going in drill, because we are the riders, we are supposed to go in the end, but the group battalion competition command, and they were there, the students were there about 120 in the drill, those who are represented in Kartavya Path that you saw in that drill, and we had that aura of riders because we were only 3 and they were 1 girl and 2 boys and I was the senior. So there were 120 boys and girls. So again, okay, for the boys, I always been pinched in the eyes of boys because in pre-RDC, again that Bulandshahr girl and one more girl again fell in, I was a crush for them because they were doing drills and we were the cools, we are having the long hairs and we were not supposed to be in the riding dress, the senior under officer and with the one UPR and we rider. So again, I was on that 7 clouds. So I just went to pre-RDC, so 2 or 3 girls of that UP directorate fell in the crush with, fall in love with me. So again, so then we went to RDC. RDC on the first day. Now here the story comes. On the first day of 1st January 2025, in the ground of 61 Cavalry, where are more than 60 horses and all India riders were there, representing their own states. So actually the thing was happened was the Agni was my horse and used to do the tent pegging on Agni, and just before 4 months before, a new horse, a mare horse, her name was Ruby, the short mounted ghodi, itni si ghodi, that came into our unit. So they just bought that ghodi, that mare horse, instead of that Agni. And Agni's speed was like too matchable to won the trophy. And that horses is getting disturbed by the lance because newly passed bond in 2019 in Saharanpur and got commissioned in the Indian Army in 2024 only. 4 months before she came to our unit. And Sir Dwivedi sir bought that horse for me in the name of me कि हर्ष tent pegging करेगा इससे. On the first day again that was happened. Again first day on 61 Cavalry everybody was doing their practices, riders, because from 2nd of January the show was going to start. So I just mounted on the horse and I started training. When I just bring the lance inside the eyes, we have to make an angle. She just got turned, bhadak gayi. She got disturbed. So I just fell on the ground with the lance up I think for 20 meters. Kach. And the horses was roaming around in the field. So everybody was, I know the exactly face of the girls and the boys of Haryana, Chandigarh and Madhya Pradesh. They were just laughing and seeing because I just wore that one UP tracksuit that we got. यूपी वाले अब तक तो हमसे हम घोड़े पे बैठते जबकि और बैठना भी नहीं आ रहा है. They were just laughing. I know their smiles exactly. Okay. On the 8th I got bronze and on the 9th from the same horse I got India's best trophy in tent pegging, the Dr. Roopjyoti Sharma best trophy. And again I saw their faces. They just said one thing, yaar, to le gaya. And same on the same. That was the miracle. Miracle is not here. On the 7th, my novice my junior played that tent pegging. I was in senior on that same horse, and she got disturbed and she left the track in 10 meters, and we are supposed to do 100 meters. On the 8th, I just managed to take that bronze medal and come in the Roopjyoti because Roopjyoti is a trophy that you can't directly play. You have to hold some medals. So 4 of veteran novice, 4 of veteran. So I got 3rd medal bronze. So I was also eligible for that Roopjyoti Sharma trophy. So no one, like the Bollywood movies we see कि एक बार इतना गिरा फिर वही सबसे ऊपर जाता है. Everybody, even I was also confused. यार, if I however I managed to take that prep, so मैं penalty में मार खाऊंगा because she was very slow. और riding RDC में तो 10-10 साल पुराने घोड़े आते थे, आंख बंद करो ऐसे आंखों सामने से निकल जाए, उनकी ट्रॉफी तो नहीं मिल सकती है. So everybody was saying तू खुश बना, तेरे को ट्रॉफी खेलने को मिली एटलीस्ट, जीत तो सक ही नहीं सकते थे हम, because she was very very small और very slow. पेनल्टी खाएगी वो, पक्का खाएगी. There was 6 rounds. In 6 rounds you have to take prec. So I think some of Rajasthan was taking 4 of 6, 5 of 6. कि 6 नहीं उठा पाए तो 5 उठा लिए, 4 उठा लिए, ये उठा लिए. I got 6 out of 6. All 6. That's why my marks go up, my points go up. I got all 6 precs. And in penalty, and second was why my friend only from Haryana, he got 22 points, I got 22 points, and for 1 second you are getting penalty for 1.5. So after cutting he got 18 points and I got by 1 second that trophy. By 1 second I got 18.5. मतलब 1 second से वो trophy जीत गया, नहीं तो नहीं मिलती. So by I got 18.5 seconds. So 18.5 points, 0.5 second. So again they just said to me, senior under officer of Uttar Pradesh Director Harshit Singh got the best trophy of the riding. That trophy of the name was Roop Jyoti Sharma. Again there is a story. In 1922 the India's best rider, the veterinary Assam veterinary doctor was there, Dr. Roop Jyoti, and she was doing best tent pegging. So in 1992 same field the accident happened in which on the full speed and she used to do tent pegging steel वाला लांस, then वुडन हो गया, क्योंकि वुडन अगर स्पीड में होगा टूट जाएगा, स्टील का लांस टूटता नहीं है, तो स्टील का लांस सब मिक्स हुआ और दैट लांस गो टू द इनसाइड द रूप ज्योति थ्रू हिज horse. तो horse and Roop Jyoti both died at the same time. So at president of that time 1982 and the DG of that time and PM of that time made the Roop Jyoti Sharma trophy and banned for the girls and for the boys there is a competition. और सबसे बड़ी honorable trophy जिसे बोलते हैं वो बना दी गई. Since then to now nobody has won that trophy. Every year some state taken, that 2025 I have taken for UP Directorate, but if you want to own that trophy, any state have to own that trophy continuously for 3 years. लगातार 3 साल जीतोगे then you will own that trophy. Otherwise for one particular year you will want that trophy, it will go to your Raj Bhavan and to your unit, and again before next RDC you are supposed to submit in the DG office. So I just went, I got that trophy for 2025 for Uttar Pradesh Directorate. I just bought that trophy in front of my governor Anandibet Patel. I got honored by her, then my unit, then my house, then again it got submitted into the DGNCC for 2026 RDC. So again it happened in 2026. This time Madhya Pradesh has taken. So again my name for 2025 it will be on my name, but for UP Directorate level it is again in my name because nobody has won that yet. Because for 2026 में मौका था, 5 में लेकर आया, 26 में मध्य प्रदेश ले गया उसको. So again, but I got a biggest achievement after 30 years, 40 years or 50 years. Whenever I will search on my Google, so I will see my name and photos. So again this was my biggest achievement till now. Again in future what I am going to do will be for betterment of my future, but this will always be my achievement, best achievement. So again this was just happened, so I just completed, this was my whole riding era, and with some of the things like both up and downs within then yes. So this, because just after this trophy I just came, one more thing, I got trophy. So again I was on the 7th of the 7th cloud,
on cloud 9.
So I used to do in front of the UP Directorate and I used to motivate them, ऐसे करना चाहिए, this I was. So actually the thing that happened that I have never shared with anyone, but I wanted with you too. On 14th of December, on 14th of January, because I got trophy on 9th, so I was on my 9th class. So there was our barrack, and in front of our barrack there is one barber shop. So for DG NCC we are free to go and have a haircut. So I just went just to see my hair and just to see my looks. So because we were going to the cafeteria, there is basically Kalpataru, where the all directed girls and the boys comes. So we were just going and I was just seeing my look. Then one barber was cutting some men's hair. So I thought, oh, just the GCNC over. Yeah, the riders. I was in my riding kit. I just saw he was sitting right next to me, and in front of his, I am doing like this. And that hair man is saying, भैया आप पीछे बैठ जाओ, पीछे बैठ जाओ. And काट रहे हैं, काट ले. तो उस मैन ने देखा and he said, what's your name? So again an attitude. Harshit. Okay, I have not even seen mirror. Harshit. I will say, okay, your name is Harshit. Okay, which directorate? मैं झूठ भी नहीं बोल सकता था because in T-shirt UP directorate was written. Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Go and write your name on some sheet. And अंदर JCNC बैठे थे. वो भी शांत. So I knew कि he's some officer है, पक्का officer. Okay. So I just went. I again went. Instead of saying sorry, I just went to write my name. So I just went and came and I said, chit nahi mili. Okay. I will remember your name, Harshit Singh, UP Directorate. Okay. Go. Okay. Before I just opened the gate.